Did you know the biggest cash robbery in British history started with a doorbell? February 21st, 2006. Colin Dixon, a security depot manager, thought police were at his door. But these weren't real cops. The fake officers kidnapped his entire family and forced him to help steal £53 million from his own workplace. For 14 months, the gang had watched his every move. They used Hollywood-level planning with fake police cars and perfect timing. But when they tried burning evidence at a remote farm, the smoke gave them away. Sometimes the perfect crime has one fatal flaw.